teachers, beloved students, and honored guests. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सीता हमारा. These words remind us that we are blessed to live in a land where freedom flows like wine and courage stand tall like the Himalayas. Today we gathered to celebrate 79th Independence Day of our great nation. This day is not just a holiday. It is a reminder of the countless sacrifices that gave us the right to stand here as free citizens of India. On behalf of the school management, welcome to our principal ma'am. Your leadership continues to inspire us to aim higher and work harder every day. To officially begin our program, I now invite Miss Alia Sheikh to deliver the welcome.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, dear colleagues and my beloved students. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this grand celebration of Independence Day. First of all, I extend my heartfelt welcome to our Principal Ma'am, whose guidance and leadership inspire us every day. A warm welcome to my beloved teachers, whose dedication shapes our students. And last but not least, I warmly welcome all my dear students, the pride and hope of our nation. Today is not just a day in the calendar, it is the day when our nation broke the chains of colonial rule and stepped into the light of freedom on 15th August 1947. This day reminds us the courage, sacrifices and determination of our great leaders and freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru and many more who gave their lives so that we breathe the air of freedom. As we gather here, let us take a moment to feel proud of our rich heritage, diverse culture and the progress our country has made. But at the same time, let us remember our responsibility to protect and strengthen this freedom for the generations to come. On behalf of our school, I extend the warmest welcome once again to everyone present here and invite you to join us in this glorious day. As you all know, today is Independence Day that fills every Indian's heart with pride. But do you know why we celebrate this day? Let me tell you the story behind it. Just imagine waking up one morning and finding you cannot speak freely, cannot study where you want, and cannot even wave your national flag. That is how life was in India many years ago, before we got our freedom. That means before 15th August 1947, our country was not free. The British ruled over India for almost 200 years. During that time, India had no power to make their own laws. Farmers were forced to pay heavy taxes even after their crops failed. Poor people had to work very hard but earned very little. Indians got goods and industries were destroyed so that British goods were sold. And then our leaders and freedom fighters could not accept this injustice which was going on. So they decided that India must be free. But getting freedom was not that easy. Mahatma Gandhi chose the path of truth and non-violence. He led big movements like Quit India movement, where lakhs of people joined together to fight. Bhagat Singh and others believed in giving their lives for country's freedom. Subhash Chandra Bose built the Indian National Army and inspired people with his words. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Rani Lakshmibai fought in wars with sword in hand. She tied her young son Damodar Rao to her back, showing women were equally brave as men. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad worked for unity and inspired people with his speeches. Tipu Sultan, the tiger of Mysore, fought 4 wars against British, and then he died fighting bravely in 1799. Many were beaten by police, many were failed for years, many lost their homes and families, but never gave up. Finally, on 15th August 1947, our struggle succeeded. The British left and India became free. That is why every year on this day we remember all the sacrifices, we proudly hoist our national flag, and we must be thankful for this precious freedom. Independence Day is important because it reminds us the freedom of our forefathers, and we must take care of our country, follow our rules, help each other, and work with unity so that India becomes stronger and better. Let us promise today that we will always love and respect our country and keep it free, united, and strong. Thank you.
I invite Chaitra ma'am to deliver patriotic speech in Kannada.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಈ ಸುಂದರ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಗುರುಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಅತಿಥಿ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 79ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. 1947 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15ರಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮಹತ್ವದ ದಿನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ದಿನವೇ ನಾವು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅತಿರೋಧದಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತರಾದೆವು. ದೇಶದ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಮತ್ತು ಸಡಗರದಿಂದ ಆಚರಿಸಿದೆವು. ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿರುವಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಲೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಸಡಗರದಿಂದ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಕಾರಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ, ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಗುಲಾಮಗಿರಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸೋಣ, ನಮಿಸೋಣ, ಅವರ ಆದರ್ಶಗಳನ್ನು ಪಾಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಗತಿದತ್ತ ಕರೆದೊಯ್ಯುವ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲಿದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನೀವು ಈಗ ದೇಶದ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯ ಉನ್ನತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಭೂಮಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಭಾರತವು ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವಾಗಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಪ್ರಜಾವಂತ, ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಸಿಪಾಯಿಗಳಾಗಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆಗೈಯಬೇಕು. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನದನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಮಾನವೀಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳು, ಸನ್ಮಾರ್ಗದ ಅರಿವು, ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಸೇವಾ ಮನೋಭಾವವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಮಾತ್ರವೇ ನಮಗೆ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಗಾಢವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವುದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನೆನಪಿಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಕೂಡ ದೇಶ ಸೇವೆಯೇ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಪೌರ ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡಲು ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ನಿಭಾಯಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ಮೊದಲು ನಾನು ಭಾರತೀಯನೇ ಎಂಬ ಸದಾ ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆ.
Thank you, Chaitra ma'am. Hindi, our national language, unites millions across India. I invite Salma ma'am to share her patriotic message in Hindi.
आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम सलमा है। मैं आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। स्वतंत्रता दिवस हमारा राष्ट्रीय त्यौहार है। इस साल 15 अगस्त 2025 को भारत अपना 79वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस पूरे जोश और सम्मान के साथ मनाएगा। 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत ने अंग्रेजों की 200 साल की गुलामी से आज़ादी पाई थी और तभी से ये दिन देश भर में हर धर्म, हर जाति, संस्कृति के लोग एकजुट होकर मनाते हैं। ये सिर्फ उत्सव ही नहीं बल्कि उन वीर से स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को याद करने का अवसर भी है जिन्होंने देश के लिए अपना सर्वस्व न्यौछावर कर दिया। ये आज़ादी हमें यूं ही नहीं मिली, इसके लिए लाखों लोगों ने अपनी जान, अपना घर, अपना परिवार, अपना सब कुछ कुर्बान कर दिया। भगत सिंह, राजगुरु सुखदेव जैसे वीर सपूत फांसी के फंदे पर हंसते हंसते चढ़ गए। नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, महात्मा गांधी जैसे अनगिनत सेनानियों ने आज़ादी के लिए कुर्बानियां दी है। आइए हम सभी ये संकल्प लेके देश की एकता और अखंडता को बनाए रखेंगे, पर्यावरण की रक्षा करेंगे, और मेहनत से पढ़ेंगे और देश को आगे ले जाने में अपना योगदान देंगे। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Salma ma'am. Now I call upon Faiza ma'am to continue program.
Now, dear audience, it's time to witness the talent and patriotism of our students. We will begin with our pre-primary section, where our little stars are dressed as great freedom fighters of our nation. Let's cheer them on with a big round applause as we all call them one by one. First, I call upon our nursery class participant. I call upon Bibi Zainab Panwale, beautifully dressed as the brave Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Hi everyone, my name is Zainab Panwale. I am studying in nursery class. I am nursery 5. Thank you. Jai Hind.
I invite Zihan Bhagwan as a strong army officer.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jihan Bhavan. I am studying in nursery class. I am army officer. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Zihan, for reminding us of our soldiers. Now, I call upon Ekant Rathore as the fearless Bhagat Singh.
My name is Ekant Rathore. I am nursery class. I am celebrated 79 Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ekant, for keeping the spirit of freedom alive. Please welcome Saisham Jamada as our policeman.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shaisham Jamadar. Studying this nursery class. I am studying this. I am policeman. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Saisham, for showing the power of law and order. Next, I call upon Zuhan Thakur, proudly dressed as soldier.
Good morning everyone. My name is Zuhan Thakur. I am 4 years old. I am studying in nursery class. I am a soldier. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Zuhan, for saluting our nation. I now invite Zunaisha Todewale as Rani Chennamma.
Policeman. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Umar, for looking smart and ready to protect us. Finally, from nursery, please welcome Muhammad Aslan Desai. Thank you, Muhammad Aslan. Let's move on to our LKG class participants. I call upon Tahura as Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tahura Tash. Kashimal. I am studying LKG class. My school name is Loyan Public School. I am Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was a great freedom fighter of India. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Thank you, Nahura, for showing bravery in your art. Now, I call upon Sanaya as Rani Chennamma.
My name is Sana Ramzan. My full name is Soya Public UKG class. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanaya, for your grace and charm. Please welcome Sifan as Bhagat Singh.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammad Sifan Kashim Tapari. I am studying LKG class. Today I am great Bhagat Singh. सरफरोश की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. देखना है जो कितना बाजू एक कातिल में है. इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद. थैंक यू. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा है वतन. शांति का उम्मती का पैर का चमन. इसके वास्ते तेरी शान है. मेरा मन मेरा तन ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन. जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन. अपने इस चमन को शोक हम बनाएंगे. कौन कौन अपने देश का सजाएंगे. जिसमें होगा जिंदगी का होंगे सब मगन. होंगे सब मगन होंगे सब मगन. इसके वास्ते तेरी शान है. मेरा मन मेरा तन ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन. जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Sifan, for keeping the spirit of freedom alive. Lastly, I invite Akil as policeman.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Akil Azaf. I am studying LKG class. I am soldier. Follow my country. I fight my country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Akil, for serving our country with pride. Now, UKG class, I call upon Anabia Sheikh as Begum Hazrat Mahal.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Umme Anabia. I am studying UKG class. Adab, adab, adab. I am Begum Hazrat Mahal, Sita Sadar of India. जब तक हमारा मुल्क आजाद रहेगा, तब तक हम भी आजाद रहेंगे. अंग्रेज तो एहसास नहीं है. इन नाजुक दिखने वाली लाइयां ने दूसरे से तलवार चलाती है. वो नहीं जानते थे हमने हमारे हिंदुस्तान की कीमत दी है. अमन की फतेह हो, अमन की फतेह हो. इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद. थैंक यू. हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे.
Thank you, Anabia, for reminding us of this great leader's role in 1857. Next, please welcome Sarah Makandar as Indira Gandhi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarah Makandar, studying in UKG class. I am Indira Gandhi, daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I am first lady Prime Minister of India. My slogan is Garibi Hatao. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarah, for your confidence presentation. Please welcome Piyush Singh as Bhagat Singh.
Good morning everyone, my name is Piyush Singh. I am studying UKG class. I am Bhagat Singh. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में। इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद। जो चढ़ गए वो अस्कर सूली खाई जिन्होंने सर पर गोली, हम उनको कर प्रणाम, हम उनको कर सलाम। जो मिट गए इस वतन पर गूंज रहा है आज दुनिया में ये हिंदुस्तान का नारा, चमक रहा है आसमान में तिरंगा प्यारा हमारा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Piyush, for your bold salute to the nation. I invite Mufiz Amangi as Army Officer.
My name is Mufiz Faiz Ahmad Amangi. I am studying HEC class. I am Army Saint.
I call upon Inaya Bayal as Army Officer.
Good morning everyone. My name is Inaya Ramdandar. My school name is Royal Public School. I am studying UKG class. We are celebrating of Independence Day. Thank you. Happy New Year.
I call Ilhan Yargati as Jawaharlal Nehru.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ilhan Imtiaz Ragatti. I am studying UKG class. I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I am first Prime Minister of India. I give slogan Aram Haram Hai. I love children very much. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Ilhan, for reminding us of Chacha Nehru's love for children. That concludes our pre-primary performance. A big round of applause for all our little freedom fighters who made us proud today. We now move on to our primary section where our students will deliver patriotic speech in their own words. I call upon Hasnain Madiwale to the stage.
Morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Hasnain Abdul Khan Madiwale. I am studying in first standard. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national holiday celebrated on the 15th of August in India every year. The day starts with hosting of the national flag and the singing of the national anthem. On this day we remember the great struggle of freedom and we remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Many brave people fought for our freedom. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Hasnain, for your confident start to our speech session. Next, I invite Sophia Belgami.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sophia Belgami. I am studying in first standard. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a great day. It is celebrated on 15th August. It is national festival. We got freedom fighters on this day. It is very Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Sophia, for your beautiful and clear speech. Now, I call upon Arham Kamtan.
मेरा नाम अरहम कमतान है। मैं फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ता हूँ। स्वतंत्र दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। आज हम सब बहुत खुश हैं क्योंकि हमारा देश स्वतंत्र दिवस मना रहा है। 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारे देश को अंग्रेजों से आज़ादी मिली थी। हमारे देश के कई लोगों ने अपने जीवनों का बलिदान दिया था। हम अपने देश के झंडे को सलामी देते हैं और हम अपने देश के लिए काम करने का वादा करते हैं। हमें अपने देश पर गर्व है और हम उसे और सुंदर बनाने का काम करेंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Arham, for speaking from the heart. I invite Aliza Nadav to the stage.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aliza Nadav. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. As you know, today is the most important day in Indian history. Today we are celebrating 79 National Independence Day of India. India became independent on 15 August 1947 from the British rule. We got independent after many sacrifices by our brave freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, and many more. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Aliza, for inspiring words. Next, please welcome Inaya Yadgatti.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friend. My name is Inaya Imtiaz Yadgatti. We are celebrating Independence Day. India became independent on this day. We host national flag on this day. Everybody sings the national anthem. Independence Day is the celebration of our freedom. It is celebrated with full joy. Let's be proud to be an Indians. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Inaya, for your wonderful effort. Please welcome Hasnain Patel.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hasnain Patel. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating Independence Day. Independence Day is National Festival of India. We got freedom on this day. I am proud to be on this day. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, Hasnain Patel. Next, I invite Arfan Balu.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅರ್ಫಾನ್ ಖಾನ್ ಬಾಲೂರ್. ನಾನು 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿರುವೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಯಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ರೈಮ್. ಏರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಹಾರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ನೋಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾವುಟ, ತೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಾ ನಿನಗಲ್ಲ ಪಟ ಪಟ. ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಿಳಿ ಹಸಿರು ಮೂರು ಬಣ್ಣ ನಲ್ಲವೇ ಚಕ್ರವು, ಸತ್ಯ ಶಾಂತಿ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಹಿಡಿಗ ಚರಕವು. ಇಂಥ ಧ್ವಜವು ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವಜವು ನೋಡು ರುತಿಯುವುದು, ಧ್ವಜದ ಭಕ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನಾರಗುಡಿಯ ಮೆರೆಯುವುದು. ಕೆಂಪು ಕಿರಣ ತುಂಬಿ ಗಗನವನ್ನ ಬಣ್ಣವಾಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡ ಗುಡಿಯ ನೋಡಿದರನ್ನ ಹೇಗಿದೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
Thank you, Arfan. I call upon Rahil Mullah.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Rahil Mullah. I am from 3rd standard. Today I am feeling proud to speak a few words on this special occasion of Independence Day. Every year on 15th August we celebrate this day with great pride and joy. It reminds us of the brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. We got independence from British rule in 1947, and since then this day is celebrated in every part of India. This day is we highest national flag, sing national anthem, and remember the heroes who made our freedom possible. After the 1930, the movement took on a strong socialist orientation. It culminated in the Indian independence. Independence gave us the right to live freely and follow our dreams. It is our duty to protect this freedom and respect our nation as young the citizens. We must study hard, be responsible, and work hard.
Thank you, Rahim, for your confident speech. Next, I invite Arhan Sheikh.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅರಹಾನ್ ಶೇಖ್. ನಾನು 3ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ದಿವಸ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ಆಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಗುಲಾಮರಂತೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಭಾರತದ ಮಹಾನ್ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರು ಹಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹೋರಾಟದ ನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15, 1947 ಅಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. ಮಹಾನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾದ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ಬಾಲ್ ಗಂಗಾಧರ್, ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಲವರನ್ನು ಈ ದಿನ ನೆನೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜೈ ಜಗತ್.
Thank you, Arhan Sheikh, for sharing your thoughts so clearly. Now, please welcome Rida Mushrif.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Rida Mushrif from 3rd standard. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride in presenting this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. We all know that no nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. The Indian freedom movement, also called the Indian independence movement, was the culmination of the sequence of historic events aimed at eliminating British control in India from 1857 till 1947. The movement was active. Bengal was the birthplace of the first patriotic revolutionary movement for Indian independence. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty
and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Rida, for your sweet and motivating speech. Now I call Ruhan Arbhavi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ruhan Ayat Arbhavi. I am studying in 3rd standard. Today is 15th August. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. I love my country very much and I am proud to be an Indian. Change ever. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Ruhan. I invite Afshin Inamdar.
Morning, everyone. My name is Afshin Inamdar. I am studying in 4th standard. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. We got freedom on this day, and this day we remain us of freedom fighters. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, Afshin, for your inspiring message. Next, please welcome Alina Inamdar.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Alina and I am from grade 4 and I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August and we are celebrating 79th Independence Day of our country. This is a very proud day for all of us. On this day in 1947, India became free from British rule after many years of struggle. We remember the brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sirajuddaulah, Tipu Sultan, Hyder Ali and many more who gave their life for our freedom. Because of their sacrifice, today we live in a free and peaceful nation. Freedom is very important. It means we can speak freely, go to school, follow our dreams and live without fear. But with freedom comes responsibility too. We must be good citizens, respect our elders, keep our surroundings clean and always speak truth. India is a land of different languages, cultures and traditions. But we all are united as one country. We should always love our nation and feel proud to be Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Once again, happy Independence.
Thank you, Alina, for speaking with such confidence. Now I call upon Asad Bhadgaonkar.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Asad. As you all know, today is Independence Day, and we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. We celebrate this day because India got freedom from British rule on 15th August 1947. The British ruled India for about 200 years. They controlled our land, our resources, and even our people. Many freedom fighters fought bravely for our country. Great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru and many more sacrificed their lives. We did non-violent protests like Dandi March led by Gandhiji. There were also revolts and sacrifices by brave people who go to jail and died for the country. After many years of struggle, finally on 15th August 1947, India became free. Today we can study, speak and live freely in our country because of them. We should be thankful and always respect our nations. We must help our country grow by being good citizens. Let's salute our national flag and remember the sacrifices of our heroes. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, Asad, for your energetic delivery. Please welcome Mahira Arbhami.
Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Mahira Arbani from 4th
First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We got independence on 15 August 1947. Independence Day is our national festival. We remember our great freedom fighters on this day. 15 August is a very special day for every Indian. On this day, India got freedom from the British rule. Independence Day reminds us of the bravery, unity and sacrifices of our people. Many sacrifices, lives, families and comfort for our nation. Our freedom teaches us unity in diversity. It shows the power of truth, courage and sacrifices. Our duty is to respect our freedom by being good citizens, working hard for our country, progress and keeping good for the traditions of the patriotism alive. Let's salute our national flag and promise to make India strong and peaceful. Thank you once again. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Mahira, for speaking so beautifully. I now invite Safa Nizami.
Good morning everyone. My name is Safa Nizami, studying in 4th standard. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. All Indians feel proud to celebrate freedom of India. It teaches us how to love our country and respect our freedom. Our national three-color flag is hoisted on this day. We sing national anthem on this day. Remember sacrifices made by our brave freedom fighter. And thank you once again. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Safa. Next, I call upon Umme Atla.
Good morning everyone. My name is Umme Atla. Today is the 15th August and we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important day for India. On this day, in 1947, India got freedom after long years of slavery. Our great freedom fighters devoted their whole life for the independence of our country. So we must respect all of them. It is the national festival of India. Today we are so lucky that we live in an independent country. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Umme Atla, for your confident performance. Lastly, please welcome Masira Patan.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಸೀರಾ ಪಠಾಣ್. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಮುತತನ್ನೇ ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ಆಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುಲಾಮರಂತೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹಲ್ಲು ಹೊಡಿತಿದ್ದರು. ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಲಿಖಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
Thank you, Masira. I call upon Ayan Pandgi.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಯಾನ್ ಮನ್ಗಿ. ನಾನು 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಯಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯೋಣ. ಮಹಾನ್ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರಾದ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಬಾಲ್ ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ತಿಲಕ್, ಸಂಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ರಾಯಣ್ಣ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ, ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್, ಸರ್ದಾರ್ ವಲ್ಲಭಭಾಯಿ ಪಟೇಲ್ ಇನ್ನು ಹಲವರು ತಮ್ಮ ತ್ಯಾಗದಿಂದ ಹಲವರು ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟವರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
Thank you, Ayan, for your impressive speech. Next, I invite Shadan Sayyed.
सुप्रभात सभी को। मेरा नाम शादन सैयद है। मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आज 15 अगस्त के शुभ अवसर पर कुछ विचार रखने के लिए आई हूँ। सबसे पहले आप सभी को स्वतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज हम भारत की 19वीं स्वतंत्र दिवस बना रहे हैं। ये दिन भारतीय के लिए गर्व और सम्मान का दिन होता है। 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारे देश के सालों की गुलामी के बाद आज़ाद हुआ था। इस आज़ादी के पीछे अनेकों वीरों का बलिदान था, जिन्होंने बिना किसी स्वार्थ के अपना जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित कर दिया। चाहे वो महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, जाकिर हुसैन, मौलाना अबुल कलाम आज़ाद, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई और जवाहरलाल नेहरू, हर एक ने एक नई रोशनी जगाई। लेकिन दोस्तों, आज़ादी सिर्फ एक दिन का उत्सव नहीं है, आज़ादी एक जिम्मेदारी है। हमें देश से सिर्फ लेना नहीं है, कुछ देना भी है। आज जब हम आज़ादी की सांस ले रहे हैं तो हमें सोचना चाहिए कि हम अपना कर्तव्य निभा रहे हैं, क्या हम अपने देश का कानून का पालन करते हैं, क्या हम अपने स्कूल, ऑफिस या सोसाइटी से ईमानदारी से काम करते हैं, क्या हम अपने देश को स्वच्छता सम्मान के मूल्यों को अपनाते हैं। इस स्वतंत्र दिवस पर हमें सिर्फ झंडा नहीं लहराना चाहिए, बल्कि एक संकल्प लेना चाहिए कि हम अपने देश को ईमानदार नागरिक बनेंगे, कि हम अपने देश के भेदभाव को ख़त्म करेंगे, कि हम अपने देश के क्लीन, ग्रीन और स्ट्रॉन्ग नेशन बनाएंगे। आखिर में मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी, आज़ादी मिलती है, मुश्किल से उसे संभालना पड़ता है। हौसलों से हर दिन कुछ ऐसा करो जिससे देश तुम पर गर्व हो। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Shadan, for your thoughtful words. Finally, please welcome Masira Mullah.
Good morning everyone. I am Masira Mullah from 5th standard. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We are gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of India, which is observed every year on 15th August. On this day in 1947, India became free from British rule. This day is very important in the history of our country. Every year we celebrate this day by hosting the national flag, singing the national anthem and remembering the people who helped India become an independent nation. Some of our great freedom fighters were Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, Jawaharlal Nehru, Chandrasekhar Azad, Abdul Ghaffar Khan and Begum Hazrat Mahal. Independence means that we have the right to speak, work and live freely. It also means that we must be responsible citizens, we must follow the rules, respect others, keep our surroundings clean and help our country grow. As students, our daily duty is to study well, be disciplined and do our best in whatever we do. Let's always follow the right path and make our country bright. Thank you and happy Independence Day once again.
Thank you, Masira, for your powerful speech. I call upon Sizan Anbolkar.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. I am Sian Angulkar studying in 6th standard. Today, as the color of national flag wave, the occasion of India Independence Day is celebrated. It is a day to remember sacrifices, courage and determination that lead to India to freedom on August 15, 1947. Today, I will let you know all about Indian freedom fighters. It was Nawab Sirajuddaulah who first awakened Indian rulers and gave a call to oppose the British. He, however, lost the battle and executed at the very young age of 24. The first freedom struggle against the British in 18th century India was led by Mysorean rulers Hyder Ali and his son Tipu Sultan during 1780s and 1790s. Tipu Sultan was killed by Lord Wellesley during 4th Anglo-Mysore War in 1799. The history of Indian national movement would be incomplete without mentioning that the heartly services of Muslim women. It was estimated that 255 Muslim women gave their lives in the revolt. There are many more brave such souls who fought for their nation along with the peoples of other religions. The famous patriotic slogans commonly used during the Indian Freedom War. Jai Hind, Quit India, Siemens Go Back, Inqilab Zindabad, सरफरोश की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Thank you, Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Sizan, for starting our senior speeches with confidence. Please welcome Maisha Savanur.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Aisha Sarur from 5th standard. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I sing one song on India. I love my country, India. proud of my country, India. Love my brothers and my sister, beautiful country, India. Love my country, India. Proud of my country, India. Love my brothers and my sister, beautiful country, India. Rivers and mountains, India. Fields and forests, India. No other country in the world is better than my country, India. I love my country, India. Proud of my country, India. Love my brothers and my sister, beautiful country, India. Thank you.
Thank you, Maisha. Next, please welcome Safwan Sheikh.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಫಾನ್ ಶೇಖ್. ನಾನು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿರುವೆನು. ಈ ಸುಂದರ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಗುರುಗಳೇ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಪಾಠಿಗಳೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಭಾರತವು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15, 1947 ರಂದು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಯಿತು. ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಗುಲಾಮರಂತೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ಕಿರುಕುಳವನ್ನು ತಡೆಯಲು ಹಲವು ಮಹಾನ್ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದರು. ಅವರು ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ, ಬಾಲ್ ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ತಿಲಕ್, ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ, ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ, ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನು ಹಲವರು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15, 1947 ರಂದು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅವರು ಸವಿ ನೆನಪಿಗಾಗಿಯೇ ಇಂದು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಈ ದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಲೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
Thank you, Safwan, for your inspiring message. Please welcome Yusra Patel.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Yusra Kafir Ahmed Patel, and I am from 6th standard. So today we celebrate our sovereignty, the triumph of our forefathers who fought for liberation. As we hoist the tricolors, let's cherish our unity in diversity. Let's know the history of this day and about the freedom fighters. Thank you.
Thank you, Yusra. Please welcome Uzaifa Patan.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Uzaifa Patan, studying in 7th standard. So today we gather to celebrate a very special day. The day India becomes free, 15th August 1947, was not just about a flag demonstrate. It was about hope being raised. Our freedom fighters gave everything. They had their lives, their families, their dreams, so that we could stand here today and speak freely. We must never forget that. So there are many freedom fighters who took a step forward to free India from the Britishers, like Mahatma Gandhi, who fought freedom using truth and non-violence. Bhagat Singh, who fought fearlessly against the British. He gave his life for the country at the age of 23. Rani Lakshmibai, the Queen of Jhansi, who fought with great courage. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, a great leader who worked for Hindu-Muslim unity. Today, because of their sacrifices and struggles, we can live freely. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, Uzaifa, for your well-prepared speech. Lastly, please welcome Mais and Blue.
रहे तू
वतन मेरे
वतन मेरे वतन
पहचान तुझी से तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू
है वतन मेरे वतन
है वतन मेरे वतन
तुझ पे कोई गम की आशान नहीं तू
तुझ पे कोई गम की आशान नहीं तू
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ भी याद रहे तू है वतन मेरे वतन है वतन मेरे वतन थैंक यू
Good morning, everyone. I, on behalf of Royal Public School, would like to propose a vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. First and foremost, I extend my sincere gratitude to our principal ma'am for gracing this auspicious occasion with her presence and inspiring us with words. Your presence has truly added the significance to this day. A huge thanks to our dedicated teachers who have worked tirelessly to prepare the students and organize this event. Your efforts are truly appreciated. We also thank our non-teaching staff for their behind-the-scenes contribution and for everything running smoothly. To our bright and enthusiastic students, your performances today were a testament to your hard work and talent. You made us all so proud. As we celebrate this Independence Day, let us remember the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters.